Hi guys, good morning. Kain tayo. Kain tayo low carb. Stir fried kangkong stalks. Pork chop. Ano na to, pang second set na to. Nakain ko na kanina yung isang pork chop. Sunnyside eggs. And black coffee. Mga anghang. May chili flakes kasi to. Last. So that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Gawin na lang natin itong 3 minutes. May natawa dun sa tabi ko, oh. Say hi, Dad. Dad, say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ang bait ng baby ko. Masunuring bata. Wala. Hindi na ako masyadong bloated. Bawas-bawasan na ng konti. I mean, sabi pa rin. Pero, na-lessen po. Hindi na masyadong sumasakit ulo ko. Ganda na pakiramdam ko. Tapos, hindi na ako masyadong napapagod. That's the good thing about being or doing low carb. Of course, paminsan-minsan, like kahapon, cheat sa rice. Pero hindi naman umabot ng 1 cup. Dati lemon, ngayon hindi na. So, ano lang yun. Choose wisely, eat wisely. So, 3 minutes na. Bye-bye na. Thank you for watching. Happy Monday. Kain tayo ito ba? Pahabol pa. Kaya naman ako lagi eh. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy Monday. Enjoy the week. Not the weekend, but the week. Okay. And abangan yung mga susunod na kabanata sa aking low carb journey. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali, hindi ako napapapayat. Bababalik loob. Still, health wisely. Sige na guys, bye na. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day, and from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Excuse me.